Up the hill. Looks like Gatlinburg or something. But we've never been in Gatlinburg during the snow time.
Mira, 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 ya se van frenando. Cabrones, a ver si podemos subir luego.
We're gonna have to get a tow truck. We're gonna have to get a tow truck.
Baja la ventanilla para que no se
What if all this snow falls? Oh gosh, I've got snow in the car. Whoa! How nice that is. Oh, didn't want to go all the way up.
Por el hielo.
Yeah.
Tuve que bajarle a segunda para subir. Aquí es donde se dio vuelta.
Oh yeah, I wish I would have caught that on film. I wish I would have caught that.
Arriving at address 500, on right.